Hi, I'm David and you're watching Cruise Show UK. In today's video we're on board P&O's Iona. We're on the hunt for bargains from the onboard shops. Are you really getting a good deal? Let's find out. We're going to pick 5 items at random and we're going to see how they compare to the prices back home. Oh, what about Toblerone? Everyone likes Toblerone, and these are 360 gram bars, and you can get 2 here for £10. Sounds a pretty good deal, I think, so maybe we should try that. 2 Toblerone, £10. Okay, Molton Brown. I do really like Molton Brown, so let's see how the prices compare on these ones to back home. £18, and that is for the bath and shower gel. It's just a standard size, 300ml, £18. We can't compare this because it's exclusive to P&O, but it looks very nice if you like whiskey. My sister loves this L'Occitane hand cream. It's £18.50, that's 150ml. It seems quite good. This is really good. I love this almond shower gel, or shower oil should I say. It's £17. It says you save £2.50. Let's get the hand cream. Well, everyone likes Chanel, and this is my go-to, the Platinum Egoist. It's 100ml eau de toilette, and it's £71. And this is a tax-free cruise, so we don't have to pay any tax or VAT. £71, 100ml Platinum Egoist Chanel. I've got a friend at work that loves Jo Malone. This one, cologne, it's lime, basil and mandarin, and it is 100ml, £80. So that's a good one to check out, I guess. £80. I'm not quite sure what it is back home. We'll take a look. They do sell Ray-Bans here as well. I do really like a polarised lens. These are quite nice, but nice lens, but I don't know about the shape. So these are Ray-Ban polarised, and they are £150, which I think is quite a good price for Ray-Bans, especially polarised lens. We'll find out. Yeah, there's so many shops on board this ship. I don't think we can just limit ourselves to 5 items, so we might up it. Maybe we'll do 10 items, but we'll see how we get on.
The most expensive we've got is just over £1,000. So generally online they will look a lot more. Yeah, it's Mulberry, isn't it? So
579. Okay. All right. So this Mulberry bag is a nice item. It's £579 on board. So we will see. We'll see if it's an actual good deal when we get home. We spent a long time in the Breitling shop and fell in love with a few watches. We found this Navitimer chronograph for £4,403.
You bring the watch here?
No. I hope you enjoyed this light-hearted look at the shops on board Iona. There really was a great selection of shops on board the ship. This experiment showed that you can save money by buying on board compared to buying online. I've put links in the description below in case you want to check out some of the items that we've shown. I've also included the exact model numbers. It's also worth just pointing out that if you're a member of the P&O Loyalty Club, which is the Peninsula Club, you will also get a discount in the shops. I'll put the exact percentage of discount on screen now for you. That watch would have been further reduced to £4,182. That's a £998 discount over the retail price. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what items you've bought on board the ship before. Have you got a good deal? Have you bought something and regretted it? I know I have. Quite a few items actually. Finally, please subscribe if you haven't already. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it really helps me out. Basically, it tells YouTube that people really like my videos. So then YouTube recommends my videos more. So it really helps me out. I think that's it. Okay, so until next time, I will see you up on deck.